guys, it's Nausicaa and today I'm back and I didn't even see this right here. So let's do an unboxing our Marvel's Collector's Corpse. Animal Instinct. I love animals. And let's see what's in here. So let's open this up. Hopefully there's some cool stuff. Well, there's always cool stuff anyways. So, yeah. Oh, this is... Okay, I'm not going to tell you guys yet. Oh, well, I took out a lot of stuff. You guys didn't see anything. Well, we'll be showing this first. So here we have a shirt. Oh, and if you guys didn't realize, I'm wearing the shirt from last time's video. You guys can go ahead and check that out. So I'll probably take this shirt off. No, I'll just wear it over. Oh my god, this is so cute. It says, Howard the Duck. Okay, how cute. Howard the Duck. And the drawings are really cute and nice. There's this. So let's put it on. Okay. Okay, so now we have it on. You guys can see that. Looks nice. Oh wait, I didn't look at the back. Is there anything on the back? No, there's nothing on the back. But it looks awesome right now. So let's move on to our next item. So you guys saw probably this item. So it's a pen and like Post-its with the face on it, and it's from Pop. So we can just open it up and stuff. We're not going to use it or anything, but it doesn't hurt. So here's the Post-its and the pen that comes with it. So I think you just take this off. Yep. Okay, so that's really nice and cute. The next thing we have, you guys probably saw, is this. And like I did before, comment down below what you think it is, and then stay tuned for the end of this video to find out what this is. So comment down below. Pause. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, well now we can move on. So here we have Pop. It's Rhino. And let's take it out. Yeah, it's a bobblehead. So we should like have a bobblehead contest or something. Okay, so here we have that right here, and here's the back. And then here it is. Hello. 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 Okay. Enough of saying hi right now. So let's move on to our next thing. Okay, I don't know if you guys have ever watched Black Panther yet, but I did, and it's a wonderful movie. Go ahead and check that out. And here we have him, right here. And he's also a bobblehead. Yeah, he's also a bobblehead. And this is by the Wobblers. So this isn't from Pop, but Pop is also awesome too. And Wobblers are probably awesome too. They're probably all awesome. Well, yeah, they are all awesome. So let's take this out. Oh, you just put, there's this like bottom plate thing, and then you put the person or the Black Panther on it. So there's like 2 holes, and then you just put it on. Okay, I think it's supposed to be that way. Yeah. So here we have it. That looks really nice and neat. So here they can stick together or something. And then we have the box right here. And then on the back it's just, on the back it's just that. So okay, that's weird. But so here's the inside of the box, and they don't have like the guide of what we're supposed to have. I don't know if there's some kind of mistake, but we'll find out next time probably. But here's the items. We have this 1, 2, 3. These two count as one item. 4, and then 5. So I'm just going to tell you this. So this is Squirrel Girl. You probably saw that she looks like a squirrel and she's a girl, so it's Squirrel Girl. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. So punch that like button and like if you liked. Bye.